You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce his name correctly. We're going to listen to him say it first and then detail how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more names from music, stay tuned. Pronounced. Let's hear him.
We're at the home of Serj Tankian, the lead.
Did you hear that? Serj Tankian. That's how he says it. Serj Tankian, lead singer of System of a Down. How to pronounce Serj Tankian, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.